Hello everyone. Myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Let's see about first aid of burns from Health Education and Community Pharmacy. First aid of burns, the topics to be covered are as follows. Definition of first aid and first aid of burns. So definition of first aid, the first aid is the provision of immediate care to a victim with an injury or illness usually affected by a lay person and performed within a limited skill range. Then second, the first aid is normally performed until the injury or the illness is satisfactorily dealt with, such as in the case of small cuts, minor bruises and blisters, or until the next level of care such as the paramedic or doctor arrives. The first aid is an emergency aid or treatment given to the someone injured suddenly ill before regular medical services arrive or can be reached. Then burns. Definition of burns. A burn is a damage to the skin or the underlying tissue caused by heat. There are three levels of severity. First, that is superficial. Second means partial thickness. And third, full thickness. Causes of burning are, there are the five main sources of burns. Electricity, radiation, that is sunburn. Thermal means something hot, and fourth one chemical, and last one is a friction. Then prevention of burning. Use safety rules. Use safety equipment when working with the chemicals. Hire professionals for work dealing with, for an example, electricity. Avoid sun exposure and keep the hot objects away from the children. Then let's see for the diagram of layers of skin and the degrees of burning. That is epidermis, first uppermost layer, external layer of the skin. If that layer is burned or damaged, then that is first degree burning. Then second one is the dermis. If the damage to the dermis, which is the second layer of skin, then this is called as a second degree. Then third one, that is fat, layer of skin beneath to dermis is a fat. If the damage to the fat layer of the skin, then that is recognized as a third degree burning. And the beneath to fat, there is the fourth layer of the skin, that is beneath to fat there is located muscles, and if the damage to that muscles, then that is recognized as the fourth degree burning. Management of burning are, for first and second degree burns, you should cool the area immediately with the gently running cold water for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it has cooled off. Do not break any blisters, as this will make the wound worse. For the third degree burns, do not put anything on the burn. Seek medical help immediately and treat for shock. Third degree is extremely life-threatening even when a small body part is affected. If there is clothing on the burn, do not remove it, as this may also remove the skin. There is a very high risk of infection from this kind of burn. Let's see some pictures regarding burning. Then epidermis, dermis, subcutaneous and muscles. So superficial first degree burn is like this. Then partial thickness second degree burning is like this. And full thickness third degree burn is like this. Cover the burn with a sterile bandage. See in this picture. Then first aid for burns. First of all, cool with running water. Then second, cover the burn. And third, call the emergency assistant. Notes: as with all other emergencies, make sure the area is safe for you first. Watch out for live wires, hot objects, chemicals, pills, etc. The severity of burn can also be increased depending on which part of the body is affected, for an example, face and neck. The amount of the body that is burned, for an example, only fingertip or entire arm. With the electrical burns, the check for an exit wound as well as the treating for the entrance wound. With the chemical burns, flush the area with the lots of water to get it off the casualty's skin. Never apply ointments, butter or the other home remedies on the burns, as this may make the burn worse, keep the heat trapped in or cause an infection. do's and don'ts, which things to be done in burning and which are avoided, that are called don'ts. So let's see about do's. What should be done? Immediately immerse the burnt area in a cool water or by applying cloths soaked in cool water. Then remove the jewelry and that constrictive clothing before swelling or blisters occurs. Then cover the area with a dry sterile dressing and not cotton or other fluffy material. Then drop, cover and roll if caught fire, or cover the person with a blanket immediately. And don't do these such things, that are, don't place a burn under extreme water pressure, don't remove the cloth that is stuck to the burned area, and don't apply the butter, ointment, oil, ice in the area affected. So the first aid for burns, the learning outcomes of these topics are definition of first aid and the first aid of burns. Thank you.